Hi, welcome to this video. You can use the green screen effect on TikTok by opening the app, tap the plus or create button at the bottom center of your screen. Now, swipe from your right, excuse me for that sound, to find the green screen effect. Sorry for the sound again. If you don't find it, go ahead to all effects here and click that magnifying glass icon. Search for green screen. Right? Now, all you gotta do is just select green screen, right? And now, sorry for the sound again, choose a photo or video as a background. So let's say this is my background. So now I'm recording right here. I can resize, pinch, right? I can minimize here to put my face right here. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.